So you always receive this message from Google Admob that your AdSense account has been disabled if you continue doing something called self-clicking. So you can listen here. Look at what Admob, look at what Google is saying. Look at what the support is saying. But this is from Stack Overflow, saying that it says in Google Admob policy and guidelines, it's against Admob policy to click on your own live ads right during development and testing. So during development and testing, you need to use test ads. So if you do need to render live ads before launch, avoid clicking on them. If you click on the live ads, your account may be suspended. So it's just a may, but your account will be suspended. You understand? So this is the message here. You should avoid self-clicking. So in this video, I want to share with you how app monetization works in 5 steps. So how you can start creating your own mobile applications in 5 steps, guys. So stick with me to the end of this video. I'm going to show you how that works. Okay guys, let's get right into it. Welcome back, and now we want to look at how you can start making money with your mobile applications in 5 steps, guys. So now the first thing that you need to understand is how what is Google Admob and how it really works. I have a video that explains in depth how what is Google Admob and how it really works. So now let me just explain to you again, so that if you are new to this channel, you get to understand what Google Admob really is. So Google Admob is a platform that's created by Google, right, for publishers to be able to make money using their mobile applications. So the short meaning of Admob is ads for mobiles, right, like for mobile applications, or advertising on mobile, or you can call it mobile advertising, right? So it's a section in digital marketing that that publishers, like let's assume advertisers, now place ads using Google Admob platform on publishers mobile apps. That's, if you're a publisher, it simply means that you are a mobile app developer or mobile app creator, right? All are still the same thing, right? So they'll know you as a publisher. So you create these applications, and then when advertisers come, they pay money for ads, and these ads are being placed in mobile applications. And then when users use those applications, they see ads, pop ads, like interstitial ads, banner ads, native ads, and so many ads like that. So when they see those ads, you as a publisher make money from revenue share between you and Google. You understand? So now let's go into how let me show you how this works now. So you see here on this illustration, this is a publisher, this is you that is creating the mobile application. So you are known as a publisher, or you are known as a mobile app creator or a mobile app developer. So you create an app. When you create an app, you publish it on the Google Play Store market. So this is the App Store. We all know Google Play Store, or we know the iOS marketplace, right? So all the same, you publish it to those marketplace is the same thing, right? Or you publish to the Amazon App Store, also is still the same thing. So when you publish, what happens? People download those applications and they use those applications. So it might be a video player, might be a music player, it might be kind of a content application. It might be that you converted your whole website to a mobile application, and just all is called a mobile app, right? An APK file. So that's the type of application for Android, and then iOS. I like develop for an iOS and things like that. So now what happened? If this publisher here, like you, I'm assuming you are already a publisher and you want to know how this works, or you want to be a publisher and you want to know how this works. Now what happened is, when you publish this app will be free on the marketplace, right? So nobody is paying money for it, right? So now, except maybe you already put an in-app purchase for people to purchase your application, that maybe they have some premium features that they want to use, they can be able to use them. Example of those applications are InShot, that you use. InShot is a video editing application that you use some certain parts of the application or the video editor, and it gets to some certain place that if you want to use some advanced motion effects, you need to pay for the premium feature. That is simply what in-app purchase means. So that's another way that mobile app publishers make money from their mobile application. So, but this is we'll be talking about how to make money with ads network. So the ad network that we'll be looking at is the Google Admob. So how this works: when you publish your application to the Play Store, to the Google Play Store market, people download this application and they make use of this application. So if you want to make money with your mobile app, you simply sign up for Google Admob. So if we come here and then we look at Google Admob, let's look at Google Admob website. Check it out, guest. Okay, so we'll come here and search Google Admob. So when I search Google Admob, so you can see mobile app monetization, right? So as one of the largest global ad networks, so there are different type of ad networks that you can use to monetize your mobile application. But Google Admob is the biggest in the market. They have the highest pay when it comes to paying their publishers, right? So there's stats.io that people use and different ad network that people use, but this is the biggest that people use on the internet. So you can come here, sign up for a Google Admob account. So but before you sign up for a Google Admob account, you need to have a Google Mail, that is a Google account, a Gmail account, right? So you need to have the Gmail account, and when you have the Gmail account, you click on this place that you see, sign up. Just come here and sign up, and this can be done even with your mobile phone. So you see that it's going to tell me that I should sign into my account here. It's going to show me that I should sign into my account. I'm browsing now as a guest, so I'm just showing you so that you see the requirement for you to start for you to sign up for a Google for a Google Admob account. So you see, sign in. You have to sign in having a Google email account. So I'll be showing you I have a video that will be explaining to you how to sign up the right way on Google Admob, like to have a Google Admob account. So now when you sign up for the Google Admob account, what happens is there are publishers. You see, this is a publisher here, right? This publisher, you can see how the arrow goes. The publisher now is a marketer, right? Maybe he has a product that he wants to advertise to people so that people will buy. So what he does is he goes on the Google Ads Manager. If you have a Google Ad Manager account, so what happens is they run adverts, and when they run those adverts, they can choose to run those adverts on mobile on mobile apps. So before they can run that ads on mobile application, so they send their ads to Google Admob. That is the platform that Google used to send their adverts to the mobile apps through these publishers, right? So and the users now see those adverts from the advertisers, and when they see those adverts, Google Admob pays you some amount of money, like it's a revenue share system. The share, I think, is 55% by 45%. So the publisher goes with 55%, and then Google goes with 45% of the revenue. So now I have a video that's going to explain to you how this monetization really works, and the how Admob pays you, how much does Admob pay you, because I know you want to know how Admob pays, right? So I'll be explaining to you how Admob pays and how much they do pay. So all this payment depends on different location, right, that your audience is coming from. So I'll be explaining to you in depth how that works. So but I believe you already understand how the app monetization simply works. You create an application, publish it to Google Play Store. So when you publish it to Google Play Store, if you want to make money, you sign up for a Google Admob account, and then your ads, those advertisers place their ads from the Google Ads Manager, and it's being sent to the Admob network. And when the Admob network plays, since you already have your application, you place those ads. There's some ads units that you place on your app. So when you place those ads units, so your app now requests for ads. When your app requests for your ads, it's just a line of code that there's ads request, right? So when it requests for those ads are being shown to your users. So when it's being shown to your users view those ads. Some people click on those ads to maybe make a purchase or maybe view something or get information about what the advertiser wants to do, right? And then when it gets to some certain thresholds, there are some calculations that's been done. You on the other end as a publisher earn some money and Google earns some money. So it's a revenue share system between you and the Google. So that's simply how the system works, right? So you can see here like this is how it works between you and Admob. Then your users see ads, but you don't have any connection with the advertiser. You as a publisher don't have any connection with the advertiser. So the only connection between the advertiser and you and the user is simply the ad network. The ad network is what connects you people. So that's the third party, right? Connects you people, receive ads, display, and so many things like that. So step one for you to start creating your ad is for you to choose a niche. You have to select a niche before you can be able to create those applications. Not that you cannot create an application, right? You can create an application, but simple advice is before you start creating your application, you have to select a niche. So the way I do my own research is before I create my app, I check which niches are profitable, right? Because there are different type of niches. There's niche in the fitness, there's niche in finance, there's niche in there are just plenty, right? So but what I normally do is I come on Google Admob and I have to let's scroll down. So you can see like drive revenue, see how much you can earn from Google Admob. So to view your potential earnings, select a region and category for your app users, right? So I told you that I'll be releasing a video on this channel that's going to show you how much Google can pay you for a particular audience. So I'll be telling you how those audience connect and you can be able to maximize your revenue with Google Admob. So here is just a simple way for you to make your research of the type of niche that you want to create your application for. So what I do is I come here, select a region. I am from Africa. You can see there's Africa here. Nigeria is in Africa, right? So select Europe, Middle East, and Africa. And then I'll select the device. Is it an iOS device or an Android device? I'll select here that I'm creating for an app for Android. I want to see the potential earnings I can get from having an Android app. So now you can come here and select from different niches that are here, right? You can see niches. Look at there's autos and vehicles, there's books and references, there's business, there's communication, there's education, there's entertainment, finance. Just list them, food and drink, right? So mostly I like anything that's related to finance, food and drink. There's fitness and wellness, entertainment. I like entertainment also. And you can see there are different kind of niches here. So now what I will do is let's just select a particular niche. So let's select fitness and wellness. So after selecting that, let's run a calculation of how much revenue that we can earn potentially per month for having an Android application that is in the fitness and wellness niche. So simply do the calculation here, run the calculation and see for 50,000 users. For 50,000 users, roughly we can earn around $1,122 for 50,000 active users. What they mean by active users is people that are actively using your application every day for 1 month, right? So you can see monthly, not maybe yearly or something, no, but on a monthly basis. If you have 50 active users, you can come here and see if you have around 100,000, 200,000, 1 million users, how much you can simply earn with this. And you can also run other checks, try a different category, right? So you see the niche is all about category. So you can check business and see, you can run your own calculation and see how much you can earn. for 50 active users per month. So you can see the finance aspect is having the business aspect is having more. You can earn more revenue with business than the fitness and wellness, right? So you can come here, make your research, know what type of application that you want to create. But if you already have an application on your mind that you want to create, it's fine, right? You just need to do some things, right? I'll be explaining to you the steps that you need to take so that you maximize your earnings and create these applications legitimately, so that you won't fall into those scammy guys that are telling you that there is one special any application that will be telling you that you have to use VPN to change location. I don't know, just do just scammy stuff, right? So, but this is the legit information. So here, the number two step is to create an application. So for you to create your application, it depends on which method that you want to use, right? So it might be that you know how to create your application using Android Studio and Java, or you know how to create your application using Google Flutter and Android Studio, or maybe with VS Code, or maybe you want to know how to create mobile applications without coding, right? Because on this channel, I'll be releasing videos, right? Upcoming videos will be coming for you to know how to create these mobile applications without coding, right? I'll be showing you legitimately how to do it without coding, and how you can even create these applications without coding for absolutely free to upload them to the Google Play Store market, right? So just stay subscribed to this channel, like this video, share this video with your friends, and come back for the next video that is going to show you how to create your mobile applications without coding, how to create your Google Admob account legitimately, and guys, you'll be making a lot of money from your mobile application. So the third step that you need to take is to set up your monetization for your mobile application. So setting up your monetization for mobile application simply depends on what you really want, which ad network that you want to work with, right? It might be that you want to work with Google Admob. But I would advise you to use Google Admob because or you want to sign up with Unity Ads, or you want to use start.io, whatever type of ad network that you want to use is absolutely fine. But the biggest in the market is Google Admob, and I advise you to have a Google Admob account, right? Or maybe you can have an application that is running Google Ads, an application again that's running on other ad network, because Google Admob is a bit strict when it comes to monitoring how your activities on your account, right? Any slight mistake can get your account banned, right? So you have to follow the right processes, and on this channel I want to be showing you really how this works, right? So you should subscribe to this channel, share this with your friends, and turn on the bell notification icon so that you get notified when my next video is coming up on how to create your Google Admob account, how to create your applications without coding, guys, for absolutely free. So here you can come here and then check ad networks. You can check ad networks. So let's see. Okay. So you can see what are the different type of ad network that we have. So there are plenty. There's Facebook ad network, there's Google Admob, there's they are just there. I'm going to make my research for you and tell you the best. What I've told you, which one that is going to make much more sense and you can earn more money is for you to have a Google Admob account, right? And that is the main essence of creating these videos for you, to solve your Google Admob problem and how you can make money legitimately using your mobile applications. So the fourth step is for you to release and upload your application to Google Play Store, to the Play Store market, right, or the store, right? So now, so many people will tell you that you have to get this application, and then you'll be doing all those clicking stuff. You'll be having your application and be doing your clicking. Now, let me tell you the real truth about this. If your application is not listed on the Play Store market, if it's not listed here, let's assume you are doing things with Google. You are doing things with you subscribe to the you are having an account with the Google Admob rather. So when you're having an account with Google Admob and your application is not listed here on Google Play Store or Amazon Store or the iOS marketplace, right? The truth is, if you are doing those scammy stuff that you're doing, you are going to get your account banned. It's just the truth. That's how it is. You are going to get your account banned. So the thing is, you need to know that you need to have something called a Google Console account, right? You need to have a console account before you can be able to upload your applications to the Play Store, to Google Play Store, right? Let me show you one of my console accounts here, and you can see some apps that are listed there. So I also offer services for you to if you create an application and you want to upload to the Play Store market, right? You can simply contact me, and I'm going to help you to upload your applications to the Play Store market. I'm going to tell you the requirements. So I'll be releasing a video also that is going to tell you the requirement that you need to upload an application to the Play Store marketplace, right? So let's go to Google Console here. You can see Google Console. So you see legitimately how you can upload your applications to the Play Store, to Google Play Store, right? So this is how it works. This is the legit way of how it works. There is no corny stuff about you having your application and then you're doing self-clicking. It doesn't work that way. So you have to select a niche, create your application, and set up monetization, and then you upload it to the Play Store market. And then the last step I'm going to tell you about it. So now you need, before you can upload your applications to the Play Store marketplace, right? You need to have a console account, like I told you. So let's go to my console account here. So you see how it really works here, right? So you can see play.google.com. So when it opens here, you'll see some applications I already have on the Google Play Store market, and then you can verify those applications on the Play Store, on Google Play Store, and you're going to see that yes, this thing is legit and it's working fine, guys. So yeah, you can see choose developer accounts, like Hustle Niger TV. So you can search Hustle Niger TV even on Google Play Store. You see Hustle Niger TV there, right? So the YouTube application that is there, I think I've taken it down. I've taken the former channel down. So you are going to see that when you upload, when you download that application, it's going to tell you that the channel is not available or something like that, something of that nature, right? So you can see 5 apps. So this app was rejected, right, on the 23rd of January 2022, right? So you can see I have applications, and I really kept these applications, this account, for a very long time. I've not tampered with anything. I just kept it like that. So now I'm opening this because I want to start publishing my own applications to the Play Store market. So you can see, let's open this app here. Let's open this app here. And you see that this app is on the Play Store market, right? So don't allow anybody to be telling you that you have to do some, I don't know, some funny things before you have your applications on before you start making money with your applications, right? So like I told you, if you need services on you to upload your applications to the Play Store market, you can simply contact me, and I'm going to help you to publish your applications to the Google Play Store market, guys. So I'll be leaving a link to a WhatsApp group that's going to help you to contact me, or any link that's going to help you to send me a message, so that you send me your details for your application that you've created and you want an application to be uploaded to Google Play Store. I can help you to handle that. So here you can see view this application. Let's view this application on Google Play Store. So you see legitimately that this application is on the Play Store market. So you can see pizza tutorial. This is a content application. So you can see this is Google Play, and you see Hustle Niger TV. So, and there's 5 downloads for this application. You can see how this application looks. This application looks legitimate on the Google Play Store market, and you can see ratings shown. Everything is just there. You can check it on your own end, and you see that everything is working fine. You can see this application contains ads, right? This application contains ads. So this is really how it works. For you to have a niche, for you to create your application, for you to set up monetization, and then you upload the application to the Play Store market. And then one last step that people ignore, that you don't need to look down upon, is for you to take the number 5 step, promoting your apps to get installs. You have to promote your application, right? Rather, for you, some people do some spammy stuff that they don't really understand how their accounts get banned. For Google Admob always tell them that the application is always banned, right? Some people think that when they upload the application to Play Store Marketplace, then they start using the application, and they just kind of tell some people, some group of people, that okay, please let's just set up a group, and then we will be clicking on we'll be using our application every day, maybe some time to time. No, it doesn't work that way. The real thing is Google Admob and your application is a business, and Google has helped you with this platform for you to make money with. So what you really need to do is to take out the time to do real business with your mobile application, right? Just when you upload these applications to the Play Store market, the next thing is for you to start promoting your application to get audience from different places, right? I'll be showing you how to promote these applications legitimately using free traffic or using paid traffic. So one of the best ways for you, I'm going to share this with you in this video. One of the best ways for you, if you need quick installs, quick results, quick you want to generate a lot of revenue within the shortest period of time, is for you to promote this application using paid traffic method. So there are different ways of you to achieve this paid traffic method, either for you to use Facebook ads, Google ads, Quora ads. So but the best way for you to achieve this is for you to learn Google ads, right? So I'll be releasing a video for you to learn how to promote your applications using Google ads, also with Facebook ads, using Quora ads, and also with free traffic method, right? So stick with me to this on this channel. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, share this video with your friends and family. If you like this video and you like the information I've shared with you, give this video a thumbs up to let the algorithm on YouTube understand that yes, this video is valuable to you and to other people. Leave me a positive comment below, and guys, I really appreciate for you staying till the end of this video, and kindly stay and watch our next video to see how you can really make a lot of money with Google Admob legitimately, guys. So I love you guys, and I will be seeing you guys in our next video, guys.